What's up everyone, and I hope you are still surviving from the market. Bitcoin already back to $48,000, and it's good for me to publish in the long video because I didn't publish in any long video for the past 1 month because market only is going to sideways action, and I had so many job to do when I back, and now it's good for me to starting this channel again because market already back to $48,000, and I hope you're not getting liquidated, and I hope you are still surviving from the market. I'm also losing some money because I cash out some of my Bitcoin from $70,000 and closing most of my trade on there. To be honest with you, I never expect to see the Ethereum back to $2,000 this much quick and fast, but it is what it is, and it is what happened right now. So I hope you guys are still surviving, and this is the market. Sometime is up, sometime down, and you have to know really what you're doing in the market. Otherwise, if you're using leverage, especially high leverage, if you're using the cross market, for sure gonna be problem. Bitcoin is crazy, $10,000 dump, and we have to be ready for that. Anyway, before we are starting, I am starting the new Telegram group. Feel free, if you are in the crypto, you can join to the crypto zone. I put in the link in the description. Please feel free to join us. We're sharing the experience over there, and if you're looking my help, you can tag my name Poriyanik, and I'm gonna be there, and I hope help each other and making the bigger community. So let's jump to the chart and see what's going on exactly on the market. We know this is the big problem for world. This is the problem for world right now. If we were going for a war, nobody like the war, but one thing I have to tell you, my friend, on the war, what is better than a Bitcoin? For sure, nothing gonna be Bitcoin because bank is already get a problem, and you need something safer. So if it's something war happening, I hope it's not gonna be happen. I'm not supporting nobody for a war, but if a war also happen, you have to know Bitcoin is one of the safer asset in the world. You can keep it. After the dump, for sure pump is coming, and you have to wait for a good entry, and you have to cash it. Anyway, let's start with a weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame we can see Bitcoin almost get 29% dump. If we comparing to this dump from the all-time high, we already get 51% dump. If we zoom out, we already hit the 0.5 Fibonacci line. So if we work in the $48,000, definitely we can go much lower, and we can go to 40,000 or more, mid 40, and we can see the 0.382 Fibonacci is here. We already get the cross on the MACD on the weekly time frame, but after that we already see so many top, and right now still histogram is red and we don't see any cross. But to be honest with you, as soon as the Bitcoin holding this support, can anytime back to $55,000, $56,000. And if we break down the $48,000, definitely we can see the $41,000 or mid 40, and in very bad and very hardly even Bitcoin can back to $31,300. I'm not saying that is going to be happen, but it is what it is. And right now Bitcoin back to very, very, very special support, and $48,000 is a key right now. As soon as the hold can bounce back, if we break it, it's going to be, have to say sorry to Bitcoin, we can go much, much, much deeper. And if we back into daily time frame, and if we be checking the daily MACD, we already see the cross exactly on this candle around $65,000, and we see the histogram is sharply to be done, but possible for market a little bit cool down here, ping pong here on this zone, stay a little bit longer on this zone, and as soon as the holder possible for back up. And we have to have a hopium because it is what it is, and this is the market, sometime up, sometime down. I'm still looking for an entry. I'm already get a trade morning time, and I'm already closed that. I don't thinking right now this dump is already over, and I thinking this is can be continue, and we have to see the result because today is on Monday only, and we have to see what's going on right now. And as I said before, if anything happen to the world, Bitcoin is one of the safer asset. You can keep it because it's easily you can keep your asset. because easily you can keep this asset. And if you back into old chart as I have right now, we already see the major support is standing around $52,000, and we can see the lower band and lower support is standing around $47,000. Today is a Monday, and we have to see what's the react for a market. But what we can see right now, Bitcoin almost get around $4,000 recovery, but this is not enough. I think if you want to see something very special from the Bitcoin, we have to see the opening and closing above $56,000 to market recover back. Rayhun becoming very excited right now. Anyway, and we can see right now mid band is standing around $65,000, and top band is gaining. And if we see there's something to be crossed back, we can see confirm that this is the final dump and we can continue for rising. Let's go check the Ethereum and see what's going on in Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily time frame are already back to $2,100 support. Insane. And I don't know what can I say right now. To be honest with you, I never thinking the Ethereum sharply back to $2,000 range, but this is the happen right now. If we can see the candle much below the low band, and this is already, we can see the react already get the dump from 2,700 to 2,000, almost $100, which is $600 candle. But it is what it is. And if Ethereum losing the $2,130, on the nearest support around $1,800, and if Ethereum hold the support around $2,100, can possible back again to $2,500, and I'm okay if a little bit we get the sideways action, then continue. If Ethereum anyhow come and close above $2,500, yes, we can little bit think positive, and we can say okay, this dump is done, and we can back to $2,800. So let's quickly check the Solana and see what's going on the Solana, because so many people trade Solana. Solana on the daily time frame, we already see the dump to $110, and right now Solana hold above 125, and we already see the cross from the MACD, and we still see the histogram is not changed. And if Solana holding the $125 support, possible back again to 135 or 138, possible to ping pong on this zone. And if Solana breaking the $125, definitely can possible back to $100 range again. So this is all about today, my friend, and I hope you're still surviving on this market. I'm in this market from 2016, and I see so many pump and dump on the market. And if you are still longer time in this market, means you already know what you're doing, and doesn't matter in one trade you lost, you can cover it on the second trade. And sometimes it's good for no trade. For past 2 weeks I didn't do any trade. What I did, I closing all of my trade, and for me it's good to see the market react. And right now I can jump to the market and trade if I find something good place for entry. So don't forget to join our Telegram group, which is that 100% free, nobody charging you there, and we are there to helping each other. So thank you very much to supporting my channel, and I'm already starting a new challenge on this channel, which is that 1 minute daily crypto with me, Poriyanik. So please support me, and please welcome to the Telegram group. All the best for you, and see you in the next video.